see this paper, this question is also 2019. But they said a single phase 220 volt means voltage is 220, frequency is this one, is connected across the following load. Okay, voltage is 20 volt and frequency is 50 hertz. Now they said calculate the total average active and reactive power drawn from the source. Active power का formula VI cos phi, right? V we know that is 220 volt. Current we don't know. See what they said, an induction motor drawing a current of 12 ampere. Current कितना है? 12 ampere and 0.76 power factor. Power factor is 0.76. It sees V भी पता है, I we know, also we know. Similarly, we can get reactive power, that is VI sin phi. V we know, I we know, or sin phi also we know. If we'll get cos phi, sin phi भी आ जाएगा by the formula cos square phi plus sin square phi is equal to 1. Okay, clear? First part done. Next is a second AC turn drawing a current 15 ampere and 0.61 lagging. From here also you will get active power and you will get reactive power. Voltage is given, current is given, and power factor is given. Right? Tell me, any doubt up to here? Hmm? Now they said in the B part the capacitance is connected in parallel. Now remember I told you the question for the power factor improvement. Now suppose this was the induction motor and now they have connected a capacitor across the induction motor and we want to increase the power factor up to how much? 0.95. Earlier the power factor was how much? 0.76. So in this case we need to draw two power triangle. Remember, we need to draw two power triangle. Without capacitor cos phi was 0.76, with capacitor cos phi was 0.95. They have said that if we'll add capacitor then power factor improves to 0.95, right? Power we have already calculated, active power would be same. So from here we'll get apparent power for both the cases, reactive power for both the cases, right? And then what they ask, capacitance. Again we'll do the same thing, like this is q1, this is, so q new would be equal to q1 minus q2, that is equal to v square by xc. We can get q1 q2 will, voltage is already given, then from that we'll get xc. Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi fc, so from here we'll get capacitance.